Hi, this is Mr. Cowan here. Our learning objective today is to create an image of healthy and not healthy foods, and we are going to be using an app called Brushes Redux to create a poster of some healthy and not healthy foods. We might have different opinions of what is healthy and what is not healthy, and that's okay. What we have to be able to do is justify the choices that we have made. So first of all, I'm going to go into Safari to look for some pictures of some foods. Again, I'm using my favourite website, or one of my favourite websites, pixabay.com. And I'm just going to search for healthy foods. See what this comes up with. Right, so already some of this stuff I think I completely agree with, other stuff maybe not so much. For example, straight up oil, I'm not certain for me that that's necessarily a healthy food, but blueberries, I would completely agree that they are. The reason I think blueberries are healthy is because they are full of water, keeps us hydrated, and full of loads of vitamins and nutrients. So I'm going to take this picture of the blueberries, touch and hold. I get the save image option. Take that. Okay, so that should now be saved onto my iPad. I'll just go and double check. In Photos, come out of this. Right, there we go. So I've got the picture saved into my Photos on my iPad. So next step is to get this photo into the Brushes Redux app. So you should have this on your iPad somewhere. It's the app that looks like an artist's palette, Brushes Redux. So we're going to go in there. We are going to add a new project. Click the plus up in the top right. You need to find out what iPads you're working on. If you've got a newer iPad, it will be the iPad Retina. If you've got an older iPad, it will just be the plain iPad. You can lay your poster out either portrait or landscape. I'm going to go for landscape, and I'm going to press create. Okay, so that gives me a blank sheet of paper. So you can see that if I shrink it, around the edges is grey, so that's my poster is only the white bit in the middle. So I want to bring in my picture of the blueberries. So up in the top right of Brushes Redux, the second icon, the one of the mountains and the sun, if you press that, you can import photos from your iPad. So I'm going to put those blueberries in. Right, that's a little bit too big, so I can pinch and shrink, I can twist, rotate, move it about. You need to decide what you want for your poster. I think I'm going to have healthy foods on this side and then not so healthy foods on the other side. I just need to click on accept. Okay, and I've got my picture in there. So the idea here is that we import a few different pictures on either side, or however you want to lay it out. I'm going to have healthy foods on the left, not healthy foods on the right. Import some different pictures of foods that you think are healthy, import some pictures that you think are not healthy, and then we can add a little bit of text to finish off our poster. So, for example, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. On this side, I'm just going to write healthy. Not very nice writing. Now down the bottom right, you can see there's like a curly arrow. I'm going to press that just to delete what I've added. I'm going to zoom in even more. Hopefully I can get this a bit neater. So I'm just going to write healthy. Now if you zoom in, you should be able to get your writing quite neat. So I've got healthy, I want to write foods. Okay, that looks okay. So my next steps are going to be to find some more pictures on Pixabay, bring them into my poster, and that will be me finished. At the end, once you've completed your poster, again, up in the top right, you've got a square with an arrow coming out of it. You can press that and what you can do is press add to photos, and that will save your poster to your camera roll on your iPad. Now mine isn't quite finished, but we'll just go and have a quick look into photos. Should see my poster there. Okay, so I'm really looking forward to seeing the posters that you create and finding out your opinions on what you think are healthy and not healthy foods.